Hello everyone, I'm Stefania, the marketing coordinator here at All the Rooms. Today I'm delighted to guide you through our fantastic dashboard and show you all the incredible features it has to offer. So let's get started. As you can see, we have 9 tabs. We will start with the For You tab. Here you can easily find all the areas you have saved and access them directly. To save an area, you simply have to go to the Overview tab, choose an area of interest in the search bar, and press the heart icon to save it. For this example, we are going to choose the city of Rome. We just have to press Save Area here, and then the area will appear in the For You tab. Here in the Overview tab, you can find comprehensive metrics for the current month in the selected area, such as market revenue, average daily rate, occupancy rate, and revenues. Additionally, you can find a detailed overview for the market for any time frame in the last 4 years, showing useful information as available supply and its composition, top amenities, and more. Moving on to historical, you can analyze the past performance of the most relevant short-term rental metrics for your specified area, with the possibility to specify a granularity between yearly up to daily. But we don't stop at history. Our Future tab provides predictions for the next 6 months. Here, you can find 3 subtabs: Overview, Pacing, and Calendar. In the first one, you can find predictions for the evaluation of the most relevant metrics for the next 6 months compared to their past performance. Taking a look at pacing, we can see the current demand for the next 6 months, as well as a comparison to the demand for the same time frame from 1 week, 1 month, 2 months ago. Ultimately, you can find the calendar, which has a daily resolution of current demand with the projected average daily rate. Now, let's dive into the competitor tracker. Here, you can define different sets of properties that you want to track and get an overview of their historical and future performance. This tool is very useful if you want to monitor your competitors. So, the only thing we have to do is to click on the map, save the property we want, and we give it a name and save it again. And that's all we have to do for this part of the dashboard. In the Market Explorer, you can select an area and explore the sub-areas. For example, in Rome, you can discover different neighborhoods and view metrics such as available supply, average daily rate, and occupancy rate for each of them. In the Compare tab, you can save the areas you want to compare and select up to 4 for detailed comparison. This is a powerful feature to analyze different markets side by side. So for example, here we selected Santa Monica, Barcelona, and Berlin. Let's add one more. So we have to go to Save Areas. And then here, for example, we will select Boston, click in Compare. And now here you have the comparison of these 4 places. Now, let's talk about the revenue calculator. Here you have to simply choose your area and property characteristics. You will be able to calculate the revenue. Here we provide you with your yearly earning potential, a financial calculator, and if you are already operating a short-term rental, we also give you your property score if you add your property's URL right here. Finally, we have the Top Properties tab. Here you only have to select your desired area. If you want to check specific types of properties, you can also filter them. After this, you just have to click on any property to see all the details. This tab is great to explore top performing properties in your chosen area. That concludes our overview of the All the Rooms dashboard. I hope you found this introduction helpful. In our upcoming videos, we will delve deeper into each tab, providing detailed explanations of how to maximize the usefulness of our features. We look forward to sharing more valuable content with you soon. See you in the next video.